Hello everybody, welcome back to Ray's World. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you very much for being here today. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to be opening up a package. I got a package in the mail today. It's something I ordered. It is heavy, and it says on the box, heavy. Do not drop. You definitely don't want to drop this on your feet. Hashtag melt everything. Let's go melt it. All right, guys. Well, there they are. That was really awesome. So many interesting keys now are mine. This one is the first one, and this was from all of those keys that kind of looked the same. Still brass, but it was just a little bit different, and the color is just slightly lighter. Also produced a whole lot of white stuff. I don't know what it was. Probably was toxic. On my crucible as well as my mold. All right, let's see how much that little bitty guy weighs. 12.64 ounces. Very cool. How about this one? This one came out. It's got a little lip right there with some character. You can see I kept a couple of the keys. 15.82. What was that one? 12? 15.82. Nice big guy right there. 19.38. This one's really smooth on top. 19.46. So we're just over 60, right around 66, 67, maybe 67 ounces. That is phenomenal. Yeah, so I kept a couple of the keys that were interesting. One of the steel ones, I got rid of all the other steel ones. They're just in with the scrap. The aluminum ones I put on a key ring, and I'll save those until I have, I don't know, maybe I'll come across more aluminum keys. I've never seen aluminum keys before. I didn't know that they were even made. There were keys in there from Montgomery Ward's. There were keys in there from Harvard. There were all kinds of really cool keys in that. So I still have some of the keys left. I'm just going to add them to the rest of my scrap brass that I have, and I will just pour those and incorporate those with the rest of the brass when I pour more brass, whenever that will be. But very, very cool. Very happy with this. I actually finished this video tonight, shot, edited, produced, and uploaded this video tonight. I'm way behind, guys. I'm starting to get back to work, starting to get a little bit more busy, so things are good, but I'm kind of behind on getting my videos done. Let's put these on the shelf with the other one. All right, I think brass will go down here on the other side of the copper. How about that? And yeah, let's make a pyramid. Very cool. Just real quick, in case you're wondering, that's the lead, that's the pewter. You can go back and watch those videos. Copper, and then of course, aluminum. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye.